Surfacelogix Cobble Impregnator NS is the ultimate solution for preserving the natural beauty of stones, like travertine and tumbled marble. Impregnator NS infuses hydrophobic properties into the surface, safeguarding against staining while maintaining the substrate's inherent color and facilitating effortless cleaning and upkeep. This water-based sealer is a top pick for both indoor and outdoor applications, ideal for floors in buildings, driveways, and sidewalks alike. Backed by independent studies showcasing its unmatched longevity, Impregnator NS stands the test of time, enduring weather, wear, and sun exposure for up to 5 years. Application is a breeze with basic tools such as a tray, 3/8-inch roller or lamb's wool cover, and a clean white towel. Before use, carefully review and follow all instructions on the label. Ensure surrounding areas are protected from overspray and excess product, and prep the surface by thoroughly cleaning and removing any existing contaminants or coatings. Always conduct a small test area to confirm desired results. When applying, fully saturate the surface, ensuring any residue is promptly removed after 5 to 10 minutes. On most substrates, a single saturation coat is sufficient. Resist the temptation to apply a second coat, as the product will naturally repel itself after a few hours. Professionals trust Surfacelogix Cobble Impregnator NS for its enduring results and superior durability. Elevate your next sealing project with Cobble Impregnator NS.